pump draws the water from the pool to the dial valve. Then it is filtered through the sand, leaving any debris at the surface of the sand. Once filtered, the water goes up through the center before returning to the pool through the water return. Eventually, and especially if the water contains a lot of debris, the sand will become dirty. This will increase the pressure in the filter, and it will indicate that it is time to clean the sand. This is called a backwash. This is where the pressure dial comes into play. The first time you turn on your filter, check the position of the needle on the pressure dial. The number indicated by the needle is the standard pressure of your filtration system. If, for example, the needle indicated 10, you'll have to wait until it indicates 5 degrees more, or 15, before going ahead with the backwash. If the needle indicates 12, you must wait until it reads 17, and so on. To do a backwash, first turn the pump switch to the off position. The pump must always be stopped before changing the function lever to another position. With the pump stopped, turn the dial valve lever to backwash and install the backwash hose by placing one end where you want the water to flow out. Restart the pump. This time, the water drawn by the pump will first be drawn through the middle of the filter, go through the sand, cleaning it at the same time, then flow through the backwash hose and come out the other end. At first, you'll notice the water coming out of the hose is dirty. That's normal. You must continue the backwash operation until the water runs clear. Some filters are equipped with a small bottle that is part of the dial valve, allowing you to see the color of the water without having to check the water coming out of the end of the backwash hose. Following this 1 to 2 minute operation, the water is clean, the backwash done.